What is up, guys? Parking Lot Panda back at you for another video. Real quick here at the beginning, if you want to know where I've been and what's been going on the channel, there's a channel update video a couple videos back. It's only a quick 4 or 5 minute video. It'll explain what's going on and some new things I have on the channel. Cool. That being said, today, this isn't a suggestion necessarily. A couple of you guys have asked for Electric Callboy, and I very, very much know who Electric Callboy is. They released a new song. It's called Techno Train. It's got a music video. I freaking love Electric Callboy, and I'm trying not to curse at the beginning of videos, so I have to stop fighting people blocking my videos. Anyways, that being said, Electric Callboy, Techno Train. I hate long intros. We're getting into this. I'm excited. Can you tell? Let's go. I love these guys so much.
Take a ride on the techno train ride. Now take your seat, open up, feel the pounding bass deep inside. Yeah, shaky, shaky, sweaty, sweaty. You make my spaghetti ready.
Okay.
Heat up the sauce, it's a dinner for one. You better walk on
Come on, dude. We're starting over again. This is already dope. Okay, so for those of you who have been living under a rock and for some reason don't know Electric Callboy and are clicking on this for me solely, those people don't exist. But hey, thank you. I appreciate it. Electric Callboy is quite possibly one of the best bands that the internet has ever discovered. Just they are so good at what they do, mixing this electronic with more heavy metal, more prog, and then it's so good, and there's so much comedy infused in it, and it looks like already there's a bunch of innuendos on this one. And we're not even a minute in. I'm excited. All right, let's go. Also, their outfit, whoever does their costume design needs to be paid more because they're awesome.
Take a ride on the techno train ride. Now take your seat, open up, feel the pounding bass deep inside. Yeah, shaky, shaky, sweaty, sweaty. You make my spaghetti ready. Heat up the sauce, it's a dinner for one. You better walk on
God.
There is a whole new
Yeah.
to explore. It's the sound of a railing jam in the thought. We're adding on to the belly of love. It's all you got is what, all you got is what I want. Destination love, but pleasure up above. You really can't stop the heat. I got lipstick on my feet. Licky, licky, sucky, sucky. Yeah, you make my lollipop and candy. Time to get your dinner for one. You better go solve your face before we tonight.
And see, and oh my god, this is so good. And, I'm having trouble forming words right now because I'm having fun. The best part about this is, if they weren't musically talented, it wouldn't be near as good. But the fact that they are true musicians that are making excellent music that just so happens to be hilarious, it's great. There's another band, Ninja Sex Party, if you're not familiar, would not be as good if it weren't for the fact that they're proper musicians. Yeah, everything they do is kind of silly, and that's the point, right? It's supposed to kind of it's kind of supposed to inject some comedy into your life. I don't think anyone's taking this stuff super, super seriously. But the fact that they managed to be both comedically funny and at the same time produce really good music, it's great. It's really great. It's really great. I love it.
Beat time, go get your dinner for one. You better go solve your face before we tonight. Cause everything at night will have a place on the gun. Well, when the peace is over, we say as we can. Good words of thought on this end of right. There is a whole new world that you need to explore. It's the sound of a railing jam in the thought. We're adding on to the belly of love. It's all you got is what, all you got is what. There is a whole new
Okay. No, okay, I wasn't ready for that. We're backing up. Hang on. I was too busy trying to figure out all the innuendos that were in that. Jesus Christ. Give me a second. Like, I don't intend this to be a family channel, but I also don't do well with certain situations. Jesus Christ. My face is going to be red for this whole thing. Anyways, that ring light's not helping. Yeah.
Ahead of schedule. We're sorry for any lost enjoyment.
I'm gonna take it right now and get over this.
Yeah, oh yeah.
I really need to feel it now and get over.
Oh yeah.
We're riding on the deck of time.
God dang it. I can't even have a serious breakdown. God dang it. Okay. We're choo-chooing. I'm starting back over again.
I'm gonna take it right now and get over this rage rain, but I really need to feel it now and get over. There you go.
God, it's so good.
We're riding on the deck of time. We're riding on the
Hell yeah. God dang it, dude. Y'all are amazing. Y'all are by far away one of the best bands available on the internet right now. Y'all are awesome. And I am really upset that I'm not going to be able to see you guys on tour this time around. But okay. Okay. God dang it. I'm so glad this video is 10 days old and it has over 1 million views. All right, so anyways, Jesus Christ. No, it's not that. It's Electric Callboy. You guys are seriously awesome and talented and bring a smile to my face when otherwise could be having a pretty bad day. I still think my favorite song is, it's really hard to pick between We Got the Moves and Hypa Hypa. This one's really good though. Also the Hurricane, that song was really good too. But yeah, so with that being said, yeah, more Electric Callboy, I guess, that I haven't seen. I've seen a lot of them though, so that's kind of an issue. I gotta wait for them to make more music. More suggestions. Yeah. Make it on out of here. Sub 10-minute video for once. It's not going to happen. But hey, it is what it is. All right. If you guys liked it, please do subscribe. We have a Ko-fi and a Patreon too, if you guys want to check those out. Not required, but they're there if you want to. And yeah, I'm out of here. Peace. How do I do the YouTubes?